Hello, this is Creative Ends platform and you are welcome to my channel. My video is on the turban you just saw. The good news is that turban is just made out of the base alone. The base alone. So while I'm going to show you how to create the turban base or cap that will just have its own design and is unique on its own. What I'm using, the fabric I'm using is Scuba fabric, and the length I'll be using is 66, and on a fold is 33 on a fold. Then what I need to do is to create a body pleat for the turban. I'm going to create a body pleat for the turban. So to do that, I have videos on how to create body pleat, but if you still watch me carefully, you will understand it, because this particular one I did not rule it out, so it might be sort of confusing for beginners. But if you watch carefully, all I did was to just fold in about 2 inches or less than that, maybe 1 inch, and then just keep sewing the edges to make sure that it is folded. So that's what I did to get the whole fabric folded. And because the length is very long, it actually took some time for me to like finish the sewing. But my plan or my intention is to finish the body pleat at once. I don't want to do it separately because I want them to have the same flow of line and all of that. So I did the body pleat together, after which I uh, divided the material into two equal parts for me to be able to achieve what I achieved now. So this is the fabric after creating the body pleat. So I'm just going to make sure that it is equal, and then I'll split it into two. I'll split it into two. So to create this style, what I did was to just use the two uh, separate fabric to cross or wrap each other, and then I will join the edges together. Now at this point, this is a very simple crossing and it's very easy. You can just, because I did two different types of this crossing, when I finish the first one I lose it and then change it over. So the first one is that you can just cross it without twisting, without turning any part of it, to create that lifting that you saw. Then after that, you close each of the point where they meet, so you have to close it with your sewing machine. But I did that for you using pin, the office pin, so that you can understand it. So you lay it on each other and close it. Ensure that you spread it out, because that's the turban. It's not a design, it's the turban itself. So you have to like spread it out so that you'll be able to get out the materials before joining, and also you will get the wideness you need for the length you need for the turban as well. So after joining, the next thing we're supposed to do is to close the cap. But I did something else that I would like to show to you. I twisted the turban. Instead of just leaving it like this, I crossed it in a different way, so that there will be a lifting at that top, that center point will be high. So it now made me to like turn it in a way that there is just like what I'm doing now. You see that I crossed that first one. So after crossing it, I will now need to cross the second one to the left and to the right as well, and then pin it. That's the only way I can get that uh, height at the middle. I just don't want to join like that. So when I cross like this now, it's no longer flat, it's no longer flat, it's no longer flat. Yes, so this is just how I cross. And then what I did at the first time, using the pin to secure the uh, edges together, is the same thing I will still do here. And then after that, I will simply take it to the sewing machine. And so I told you this is just only the turban base. There's nothing added as design. After creating this design that I have already showed you, you don't need to add anything. It already have that height at the middle, so no need adding ruffles or anything. You can just leave it like that. All you need to do is just to put your embellishment on it, and you are good to go. All right, so this is how it will look. I also believe that if you watch this video carefully, because the only part I need to really explain, they are the part that I have explained already. So if you watch this video carefully, I believe you will get the details of whatever you need to get, and you will also be able to produce the video. Yeah. And then lastly, if today is your first time stopping by Creative Ends platform, please do not forget to subscribe before leaving this channel today. Yeah. And I also have a package where you can send me what you want to learn using my numbers, and then I will get back to you. So most of my videos have my numbers. Just check through, you will get them. This particular one is not having my number. Yes, okay. So that's just all. Watch the video and enjoy yourself. I'll see you in my next video. For me, it's bye for now.